Alright, hello guys. I'm gonna now mount up the nzxt g12 kraken for the MSI 2070 aero, as you see. For my PC, my case is mid tower, and I have total of at least 7 fan at the 120 millimeters. So I got a one one radiator and pump thermal for the liquid cooling. So I'm gonna use Master Gel Pro Cooler Master as a thermal paste. Its conductivity is 8 K and W mH. I don't know what was the what was it used for. It's important, but I don't remember the thing. You got it, I think. If you're gonna overclock the GPU after mounting this, maybe you can use, there is a 12 conductivity 12 thermal pastes around in the market, but I just gonna use 8 conductivity, so it's enough for me. So let's start with the GPU. So first of all, you need something like this. It's a screwdriver with the many modes. So the screws are like M2 at the M2, and I'm gonna let me look. Maybe this is okay. Okay. So here we have many screws, and actually you don't have to put them off, but I want to show you what's inside, and I'm gonna use some heat sinks, so I'm gonna completely demount it. Let's start with as you see here, there's the warranty scripts, warranty etiquettes. There's a 4 screws that holds the cooler parts. So these here, and here. You're gonna distinguish the differences. So just gonna this is not the screw for it, so I'm gonna use this maybe. No. Where is maybe this should be it. Yeah. Let me see. it's a bit hard to turn it, so you have to push a little bit while putting off these screws, and you don't want to lose any screws, so I'm gonna put it here, and I can't. I really, my hands are. Okay. Nope. Let me open others. At the, I guess, at the fabric, there must be using some sort of screwdriver, automatic screwdrivers, so I can't open it now, and I have no idea what to do. I removed the GPU's upper bracket, like this, and I couldn't show you that because my phone got a message and video got stopped, and I didn't realize it. It was a bad luck. Like I did something like this. I opened up and there was a pin like that, removed from here, so you're gonna have to be very careful about it. Let me show you this. You're gonna have to be very careful about it, because if you pull instantly or quickly or harshly, you can be damage the GPU. Now you have to clean the thermal paste. I got Master Pro Gel, Master Gel Pro Cooler Master 8 conductivity, as I told you at the start of. Now inside of it there's a grease cleaner. If you don't have grease cleaner, you can use some kind of I don't know, clothes, not napkins, because there's some small metal coils that you can be misremove them while cleaning it up. Okay, so, that's why you're gonna have to use smooth cloths. All right. Never fold it. Start from here to here. Very careful. If you can fold the greased up parts. It smells like it is bad smell. It has really bad smell. I just want to clean the sides too, because I don't want to left them. I don't know. All right. Remember, you are here for the heat. Nice. Nice. Enough, I guess. All right. And now, here. I got some screws that is gonna help us here. What I ordered in screws and the stoppers, like here. What I'm gonna do, the nzxt got his screws with him too, but if you use them, the bottom plate gonna be removed. You can't use it because screws holding them tight, and you can't put the bottom side onto GPU. It can't be putting it up. It can't be put up. All right. That's why I ordered my screws. Now, what am I gonna do is putting it here. Like this. Give me a sec. You're gonna have to be very careful. Really, very, very careful. You must be. Size doesn't always fit, so I have ordered another size of for it, and it is here. Let me open them. Let me have them. Come out. Here. Nice. You don't have to do these steps. You just can remove the bottom side, but I don't want to, as I told you. Setting it up. Alright. Where is my I'm gonna stop it, just gonna mount it. Okay, here you go. I have mounted the bracket, the dock for the nzxt. So what I'm gonna do now, first I'm gonna tie up this mess first. Yeah, it is better. I can imagine. Come. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna now apply the thermal paste, and then set up the nzxt and the water cooler. All right. As I've told you that my thermal paste is Master Gel Pro. It has some horizontal sheet that the paste come out like horizontal. So what I'm gonna do is I want to coat every fucking single millimeters, because this is a GPU and I can't risk anything. No, this is a bit mess, but this is a bit mess, but I'm gonna work it out. I don't know how, but let me just it's okay, I guess. Now this is the key part, but first I have my heat sinks. For the VRMs. Sadly, I have no nails to remove the. I have my heat sinks. I'm gonna put it here like this, and others too. Come out, come out. I can't remove the sticky parts of heatsink's, but I'm trying to. Oh shit. It is so hard without a nail. Yep, I found it. Come on, come on, come on, girl. I'm gonna pull it out by the. I don't know, I am trying everything. Yep, I got it. And the last. By the way, there's a 2 VRM that I cannot use heatsinks because they stay at the downside, at the under of the bracket. So instead of heatsinks, I'm gonna use thermal pads. Yep. Oh shit. And one more. And now I am mounting the bracket. You just have to be careful. You don't want to damage any component. So, hazırla. You just have to be very careful, because while I'm doing this for the first time, I had to send my GPU to service, guarantee, not guarantee, not warranty, what, you know, service. I had to. Now you don't need to put these screws last, like, to the last rounds. You just look at, and if paste holding it, it's enough. Touching it, it's enough. Enough. Like now, I'm gonna put the fan first. I will dismount the fans. Now I have mounted up, and putting the power pins to their sockets. Okay. This is RGB cable. I'm gonna mount it another time, and